Hello everyone, this is a step-by-step tutorial on how to create uh, an appointment slots for our upcoming PTC Meet. So what we will do is just go to your Google Calendar and click on any of the boxes here. Okay, what you want to do is click on the appointment slots. Right, and now you can click on more options for easier or bigger view here. What you need to do is to add the title. Very important to follow the naming convention for your PTC link that One City will be sending. So for example, a class teacher, for my example is 40 PTC 2, and you can do like Miss Lillian. The time is at 3:15 until 5:15. That'll be 2 hours. The slot is for 10 minutes for each parents, and it will be on the 25th till 27th. The location here is not in your classroom or anywhere else, it's through Google Meet. In the description, please add a child's name. Hang on. Child's name, colon, and then class. This one will be filled up by the parents. Okay, now everything is fine. When everything is fine, click on save. Okay, you have to do for 26 until 27 what you need to do, because it's all the same what do you call that, all the time, same time and same slots. You just need to click on these three dots and create a duplicate of that. Now instead of 25th, change it to 26th. The rest of it are okay, correct, just save, and you will do the same thing as for 27th. Click three dots, duplicate, change the date. Okay, that seems okay. Click save. Now you have all the three PTC slots links for your parents. What you do next is to just click on any of these. Go to appointment page for this calendar. Okay, you can check that it will look something like this. Parents will click on this and they will add their child's name and everything. Okay, and what you need to do is just, okay, let me just try again. You just need to copy this link up here, the URL. This is the link that you need to share with your year leaders so that they will compile it and share it on Google's site. Okay, now you don't have to worry about creating any generating any Google Meet links, because it will be generated once the parents book their slots, and the link will be generated in both your Google Calendar as well as the parents' calendar. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you and bye.